Hello everyone and welcome to GHL Plugins. In this video, we're going to go over the different steps that we follow in order to set Ontraport app from our workflow apps. Ontraport is a beautiful app that's going to help you different actions such as to create a contact, to search a contact, to delete the contact, create a tag, search a tag, update, delete, create product, search product, update, delete product directly from this workflow app in GHL into your Ontraport account. So how do we set this up? First and foremost, make sure you connect on GHL Plugins account. And if this is your first experience in this platform, by the way, welcome GHL Plugins. Make sure your agent is linked to your GHL Plugins. So how do we go about it? You just have to come up here and link the accounts, and you come down here at link agency. You automatically open a new window on Marketplace where you have to select the appropriate agency that you want to be linked to your GHL Plugins. So you select the agency and then you have to check some boxes to allow access to our sub account for your agency and also to enable automatic future installation. Why do you do this? To make sure that our tools continue working with your existing sub accounts as well as future ones. Once you're done with it, you proceed and you go back to GHL Plugins account. For this time, to select the workflow app that you want to install within the agency. So we go and work for apps. As you can see, we have available apps and install apps. If you're doing this process for the first time, you're going to search the app here at the available apps. But if the app is already installed, we just have to come here at install apps and Ontraport. There you go, we have Ontraport. So how do we install Ontraport in our agency? We come here at setup. Same process. You select the agency where you want the app to be installed, and then it's the same process. You select the agency where you want the application to be installed, and of course, you check in those boxes and you proceed. And you go back to GHL Plugins to copy the custom menu link. Actually, this is a one-time action. Once you copy the custom menu link, you won't have to do it again. Let's copy the custom menu link and switch to our agency level. Inside the agency, we want to create our custom menu link. So how do we do it? We come here at settings and then custom menu link right here, create new. There you go. Here you have to select the appropriate icon for your custom menu link. We have different icons here, as you can see. And then you type how you want to name your custom menu link. We decided to name our custom menu link by apps. We'll come back to it later. Once you're done, here you make sure you paste the custom menu link that you copy from GHL Plugins. When you're done with it, you make sure you save. Afterwards, you switch to your sub account here to look for your custom menu link. Remember, we decided to name our custom menu link by app. So if you decided to name your custom menu link by applications or whatever, make sure you have it here. So let's go on my apps. This time, we want to connect tool. So if the tool is an app available, of course, we have to connect it by just search for Ontraport. But since it's already connected here on the sub account, we just have to come here at connected and for Ontraport. There you go. So let me show you how to get it connected to your Ontraport account setup. And there are some information required, like enter your API key and enter your API for the ID. So how do we get it? Of course, as you can notice, we have here how to get your credentials. Actually, it's going to lead you to the smart queue. This smart queue is going to guide you, showing you how to get all those keys. But let me show you how it works. Let's switch on to Ontraport account. So here, how do we get it? You make sure you come here. At administration, you come here at integration, you make sure you come here and here. As you can see, we already have our API ID and the API key. So we can create a new one. Let me show you how it works. Of course, you check the contact owner. You can put, for example, me, and then you check all those boxes and you save. Oh, sorry, you have to put the API here. We can say, for example, my keys, and we make sure we save. Here you go. We have my keys here, right? Okay. And you make sure you copy. We have the app ID and we go and paste. Let's copy the API ID and then we go back and we copy the API key. There you go, and we submit. Perfect, guy. This is incredible. We just connected our tool on our Ontraport. Now we're able to go on our workflow app and test some actions. So guys, in the next video, we're going to show you how we go over all the different actions within our workflow app. So thank you for watching, guys. If you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out our support team who is available 24/7. And once again, welcome to GHL Plugins.